It'll show a red light once done. Now I'm going to grab one of my coffee pods, insert into the machine and press the long go button. Then we'll try the process again just by pressing the espresso button. Here you can see your frothed up milk, but if this is too frothy for how you like your coffee, you can remove the frothing spring, no problem. Now as you lift up the lever, it's going to drop the pod into the pod container, and I notice water also drops into this container. So when removing the capsules, you'll